Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the operator. Yesterday in the last video we have discussed about operator, the classification of operator. Okay, so operator is a symbol that tells the compiler to perform some mathematical or a logical functions. Okay, again in operator we have a three types: unary operator, binary operator and a ternary operator. About unary operator and binary operator we have already discussed in the last video. So before I go for another type of a binary operator, that is a relational or logical operator, so we will discuss two special operator. Okay, here increment operator and decrement operator are the two special type of operator. These are not like unary operator or binary operator. These operators are a special operators. Okay, we use in the C programming, right? So increment operator is used to increment the value of an integer quantity by 1. Okay, so it increment the value of an integer is by 1. Okay, and this is represented by double plus, not single plus. If you use only single plus, then it is an addition operator. Okay, so here we should use double plus symbol or double plus operator. So this symbol can be placed either before or after an integer variable. Okay, suppose if you are using a variable, that is a, b, x, y, whatever the variable you are using in the program, you can use this operator either before that variable or after that variable. Okay, so that is called an increment operator. Increment means it increment the value of an integer quantity by 1. Okay, suppose if I give plus plus a means a is increment by 1, or a plus plus, that is again it increment a value by 1. Whatever the value of a, that the initial value of a, that is increment by 1 always or every time. Okay, so here we will see one program to illustrate the increment operator. Okay, so here hash include stdio.h is a header file, void main is a function. So in the body of the program, so two variable I have declared and assigned. So a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 6. Here a and b are two integer type of variables. A is assigned 3 and b is assigned to 6. Okay, now in printf just I have written increment operator. So here increment, the value of a is equal to %d. So in the last video I have told the %d is a conversion character. So which conversion character it is? It is a integer conversion character, because we are manipulating, we are performing integer type of data. So in printf we have to declare %d, that is integer conversion character. Double quotation complete, comma, a plus plus. So here a plus plus means a. If you use that increment operator after the variable, then it is called a post increment operator. Post means first use the variable or use the value of the variable, then use. Okay, first use as it is, then print the variable or the value of the variable. Okay, in the second printf the value of b is equal to %d plus plus b. Here plus plus b means here operator is used before the variable. Okay, before the variable means here we call it as a pre-increment operator of a variable b. Pre-increment means first use that value of the variable, then print. Okay, post and a pre. Post means first use as it is and increment. Pre means first increment and then print. Okay, so these are the two types of increment operator, post increment and a pre increment. So here you can see the output, a is equal to 3. Okay, the initial value of a is 3. Here I have written a plus plus. A plus plus means as it is the value will be print, and then same thing if you are using second time in the same program, then the value will be incremented by 1. Okay, so that is a post increment. Pre increment means what? First increment the value. What is the value of b? 6. So now plus plus b means the value of b is 6. So 6 is equal to 6, b is equal to 6 plus 1. So what is 6 plus 1? 7. So now value of b is equal to 7. That is a pre-increment of a value b, post increment and a pre-increment. Okay. So this is a increment operator. So here just see the note, that is plus plus int variable indicates pre-increment, that is the value of int variable must be incremented before it is used, that is increment and use. First increment the value of the variable and then use. Post, that is the int variable double plus operator, it indicates post increment, that is use value int variable first and then increment, that is use and increment, first use and increment. Okay, these are the two types of increment operator, post increment and pre increment, right. So same thing the decrement operator. Okay, so decrement operator is again a special type of operator used to reduce the value of an integer quantity by 1. Reduce means it decrement the value by 1. Okay, it is decrement the value by 1 and this is represented by double minus sign. Okay, so here also you have to give double minus sign for a decrement operator, and this symbol can be placed again either before or after an integer variable. Okay, as we have discussed in the increment operator. So here in the example you can see void main, and the value of m and n are assigned 6 and 8 respectively. It means m is equal to 6 and n is equal to 8. Now perform the pre-decrement and post-decrement value of m and n. So in printf the value of m is equal to %d double quotation complete comma minus m means pre-decrement m. Pre-decrement means what? First decrement the value and then print. Okay, so what is the value of m? 6. So first it will decrement the value of m by 1. So m is equal to 6 minus 1. So what is the value of m now? 5. That is m is equal to 5. That is pre-decrement. Then in the second statement printf the value of n is equal to %d double quotation complete comma n minus minus. So here post decrement operator we are using. Post means first print as it is and then decrement. So what is the value of n? 8. So first print as it is. Decrement, when it decrement means if you are using the same variable again in the program, then it shows the decremented value. Okay, only one time we are using in the program, so it print as it is. That is a first print the value and then decrement the value of the variable by 1. So this is a decrement operator. Okay, so in this just see what is pre-increment and what is post-increment, what is pre-decrement and what is post-decrement operator. Okay, so same thing, int variable it indicates a pre-decrement and that is the value of integer must be decremented before it is used, and int var minus minus it indicates post-decrement, that is the use value integer value variable first and then decrement it, and that is a use and decrement. Okay, this is a increment and a decrement operators. Okay. So whatever I have explained just in this video, say write the same thing for the notes. Okay, there is no other extra note for this. Just write whatever just I have given in the slide. Okay.